Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Stacy here again. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my natural hair care routine and how I used flaxseed gel as my detangler this time around. This is my first time ever applying flaxseed gel on my hair ever since my 1 year natural hair journey, and I love every experience of it, and that is reason why I decided to make this video. So guys, I would love you to watch to the end of this video. It helped me so much and I believe it will help you too. So this is how I got my flaxseed gel. This is flaxseed actually, in case those who don't know what flaxseed is. This is what it looks like. Okay, and the next thing is to put it in a pot. Now add your water and start boiling it. You need to keep stirring it so it doesn't glue to the down of the pot. And once it shows whitish substance, it is good to go. You bring it down and you strain it out. Okay, this is how it looks like. Very thick and slimy. Okay, it is ready to be applied on the hair. So this is what the flaxseed oil flaxseed gel looks like. This is my first time actually applying it on my hair, so you guys stay with me on this journey and let's see what it does. I feel like it's kind of sleepy, like aloe vera gel. So guys, let's start the journey. Guys, I'm loving it already. I am loving it already, guys. Wow. I am loving it already. I love to use my hand to work through the hair first before I comb it. Like, as if I'm combing the hair. Okay. So guys, anything is possible when you put your mind in it. Okay, this is actually my 1 year. 1 year, guys. I love this flaxseed. It makes my hair so coily and so beautiful. Wow. My dear beautiful ladies, there is something that I've been meaning to share with you guys, and I think this is the best time for me to do it. Okay, it's helped me so much. In fact, it is 90% of what made my hair grow. Okay, and I believe it will also help you. Okay, this is something that is so important to me. Majority of we ladies, blacks, especially those with 4C hair, we all want our hair to be fuller, we want our hair to be longer, we want our hair to be more beautiful, but not all of us actually have that time to spend on our hair. Okay, please get me right. I'm not saying that you should spend the whole day on your hair, but our 4C type of hair is not like any other regular hair. It doesn't grow just like any regular hair.
it needs nurturing, it needs pampering. Okay, ever since I noticed this has actually done wonders for me. Ever since I set out one day every single week, not entirely one day, maybe an hour every single week, to just take care of my hair. I sit down and I apply whatever I want to apply on my hair, and I massage my hair. Massaging your hair, ladies, gives you a lot of benefit. It helps your nerves in relaxing. It helps the nerves in the hair to relax. It helps a lot. Ever since I started doing it, I'm always excited every week because of my wash day, because after that I sleep a lot. Trust me, I have a lot of sleep after that. So you could set out, no matter how busy your schedule is, you can set out 1 hour every week just to nurture your hair, just to pamper your hair, just to admire your hair, just to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp is very important, ladies. It's very, very, very important. So please do not forget this. If you really want your hair to grow, you got to set out time for it, because it's not all the flowers that you put on the ground that actually grows without you watering them. There are some flowers you put on the soil, they grow without you nurturing them, while there are some that you put on the floor and they require that you have to put on water every day for them to survive. Our 4C natural hair is just as similar as that. It needs nurturing, it needs pampering, it needs a lot of care. And if you really want to achieve that beauty, that long hair you are hoping and admiring for, you got to do it, sis. You got to do it, ladies. You got to bring out that time. And I bet you, the sky is just the beginning. And you will see your hair growing. You will be like, wow, is this my hair? Wow, 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 wow. So ladies, rather, not guys. This is what my take I really want to share with you guys today. And I believe, and I hope, and my prayers is that my videos will one day touch one person or two of the ladies, or in how they see and how they admire and how they love their natural hair. Please guys, please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to comment, share with your loved ones, subscribe. Let's build an awesome community. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support so far. You guys are awesome.
I'm done with the application. So for this particular one, man, I am loving it already, and I'm going to leave it on my hair till 24 hours. So guys, I'll wash it off and I'll come to tell you guys what it has done. So guys, I will see you. And I'm good to go. See you guys after 24 hours. Hey guys, so this is the 24 hours of leaving it on my hair, guys. So I'm going to go wash it out now and see what we've got. So guys, I use this for my hair. This is actually a shea butter leave-in conditioner, but I added my own homemade aloe vera oil to it. If you want to know how I
I made the aloe vera oil and how I mixed it, go down to the description below and you will find the video there. Okay. So guys, my overall take in flaxseed is it is super awesome. I have never had this feeling in a long time and I love it, so I recommend it for you guys if you really want that beautiful detangling process, because that is the first thing you will notice. Beautiful detangling process. Try flaxseed. And not only that, it makes the hair so coily, so beautiful and so awesome. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying through and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with friends and family, people who might find it difficult taking care of their natural